everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a cup of hot cocoa. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the top of our mug. So I'm going to start on the left side and draw an arched line around, like that. And then I'm going to go back to this left side and make another line on the bottom that kind of matches that. All right. And let's start with the left side of our cup. And we're going to draw a line down and it's going to curve under. And then on the right side, we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to try to make it match the left the best we can. Okay, now let's draw the handle. And this is where we might need our eraser. So I'm going to start my handle on the right side. And I'm going to make like a backwards C shape. All right. And then I'm going to draw a line down. It's going to come up and we're going to follow that same C shape on the inside and connect it. All right, and this is where we'll need our eraser. Okay, and then to decorate our mug, and you can decorate it any way you want, or you can leave it plain. I'm going to put Christmas trees on mine. So I'm going to start over here on the left and draw a curved line that connects to the right. And underneath of that, I'm going to draw one more line that matches it. And notice how when I draw this line, it's curving and kind of matching the line up top. All right, and do the same on the bottom. Start here. Curve around and connect. Curve around and connect. Okay. And I'm going to start my Christmas trees in the middle. And they're very simple. It's just a little triangle. And then I drew a rectangle on the bottom. And I'm going to make the one on the end just a little bit smaller. All right, and do the same thing on the left side. Perfect. All right, now let's work on the hot chocolate and marshmallows. So start here on the left side of your cup near the top, and we're going to make another arch line going around. And see how it follows that pattern of the top line that we just drew? That's what we want. And then to draw marshmallows, you make an oval. Draw a line out, and then curve it to connect. And there's your marshmallow. So an oval, line down, and connect it with a curve. And now I'm going to do my oval on this side. And this marshmallow is going to kind of be behind this one. And then I'm going to draw one more little half a marshmallow on this side. All right. Next, I'm going to make a candy cane coming out of the top of my hot chocolate or my hot cocoa. So if we start here, draw a curved line up, and it arches around. Kind of like an upside down J. And then the same thing for the other side. And we're going to try our very best to make it match and connect. And now you might need your eraser to erase these marks. And now let's draw the stripes on our candy cane. So I start on the bottom, curve it and connect it to the top. Start on the bottom, curve and connect. Awesome. All right, and last thing I'm going to add is a peppermint at the bottom. And you can leave it the way it is, or if you want, you can add this little peppermint. So to do that, we are going to make a circle at the bottom. We've got to erase this line. And then it works best if you put a dot in the middle. And then we draw curved lines and connect it to the outside. So start in the middle, curve line out. Start in the middle, curve line out. And there we go. Our hot cocoa looks great. Now let's color. That hot cocoa looks good enough to drink. All right, now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.